Today on Kitchen Dads, we're doing a summer orzo salad. It's fantastic. Stay tuned. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll get a notification of all of our new videos. Now, this is one of my favorite summer salads. It's really easy. It goes with fish, it goes with shrimp, it goes with steak, it goes just with about everything. It goes really well with a glass of wine. So we're gonna make this. I took some orzo, 16 ounces. You cook it for about 3 to 8 minutes, depending what it says on the package. Drain it, put it in the bowl that you're gonna be serving in. Right? So now, we like asparagus at this house. I took some asparagus. You can either blanch this, which means just stick it in hot water for about maybe 5 minutes, chill it, put it in an ice bath, or you can grill it. I like to grill it because I get a little more of the grill flavor. I also put a little bit of olive oil and balsamic vinaigrette as a marinade. Right? So I went ahead and I grilled one big stalk of asparagus. We're gonna cut these up into small pieces. And some of you I can hear out there going, oh, Cliff, this is great, but I don't like asparagus. Well, that's okay. Use spinach. And if you don't like spinach or you don't like asparagus, well, string peas maybe? So we'll cut these up. We're gonna put all this in. This makes a lot, so it's really nice when you are making something for a big group or a picnic. So now we have about 10 basil leaves. All right. We're gonna cut those into little ribbons. So what I want you to do is just take your basil leaves and I want you to stack them. And then we're gonna roll these. And all you're gonna do is just cut little ribbons off. Very simple. Nice thin ribbons. All right, we're gonna add our basil. We have feta cheese, about 8 ounces. Feta cheese usually comes in 2 ways. There's feta in water, which is a little more, I guess, authentic. It's more moist. Then you get the feta, which is in the container. Usually that's broken up already, and they got small pieces. Normally I would want you to take the feta and break it up, but the heat from the orzo is gonna kind of help melt some of the cheese a little bit, and the little pieces are kind of more to your advantage for this dish. So just go ahead and you can use the kind that are in the package. We have 1 8-ounce container or bottle of sun-dried tomatoes in oil. Now we need the ones that are in oil because the oil is gonna get with some of the flavor to the salad. If you end up using ones that are just packed in water, you're gonna have to add some oil to the salad, but we're gonna go ahead and add that. And then the part that really brightens this whole thing up is we're gonna use 3 lemons. I know people are going like, wow, that's a lot. It's really not. There's a lot of orzo in there that's gonna absorb the flavor, but it's gonna bring a really nice light component to this. So we're gonna squeeze our lemons. All right, we're gonna hit this with just a little bit of salt. You don't need much because there's a lot of flavor there already. A little bit of black pepper. And that's it. We just need to mix this together. Do a good job when you're mixing it up because you want to get all the flavors all throughout the orzo. All right, so we're through mixing, and that's it. Let's give this a taste. Gotta get a chunk of feta in there. You get some creamy from the feta with a little crunchy of the asparagus, and then the punch from the sun-dried tomato, and then the whole thing is just, it's like a ray of sunshine when the lemon comes in. It's a simple salad. It goes great with a lot of different things. Try it, you'll like it. Now go cook something. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Now we have some other recipes you can check out, and if you haven't subscribed, do it now because we get new episodes every week and we don't want you to miss one. Thanks again.